sit and worry all his life away. He's saying a lot of prayers to the devil. I say, Jah live, Jah live. So then we go, so then
don't worry,
easy your brain.
about a thing.
They hear what we're saying.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Listen we again.
Singing don't worry,
Easy your vibe.
about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Keeping it live.
Woke up this morning, smile with the rising sun.
Yeah.
3 little birds pitched by my doorstep,
Yo.
singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you.
Hey yo. Bless up, don't stress up and don't bother worry your brain. Listen the lyrics and what the message contain. Alpha and Omega, you know that ever go rain. So why bother complain? Yo, life is a road today if you choose the right lane. Some people focus them in the deep and bear pain. Never acknowledge all of the blessing them gain. That's why we keep on saying, yo, don't worry. We have to live life to it. God bless. We don't life is such a heavy load. So we're telling them again,
Don't worry about a thing.
easy your mind.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Listen what we tell them
Singing,
again.
don't worry
Yeah.
about a thing.
Don't pressure your brain.
'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Okay, oh yeah. Positive living, the man, and so we do we thing. Jaja keep giving, so every day we have to sing. Live up with positive because we know we must win. Who are trying to test with negative, I get a sting. Them kick up a ground, them still a bow to the king. Evil them plot up, that still is controlling. Like them never trust things, I love amazing. Fire ever blazing, yo we keep moving. Can we live life to it? Shouting and on. We know life is such a heavy load. But God bless you again. Don't worry. Don't pressure your
About
mind.
a thing.
What do you want to say?
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Listen to me again.
Singing, don't worry
Hear what we say.
about a thing.
How about that thing now?
'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Yo, hey, so the matter with vex about that true. Hey yo, don't bother roll. Every day that you live up, Jah still a bless you. Even though the clouds appear grey and times are tough, never be giving it up because the word is true. Every day the day is brighter. Don't bother fight. Every man fi reach the heights and come fi know them own a right. I respect one another underneath Jah's side. Never lose sight of the light.
Don't worry
Don't worry, yo.
about a thing.